Hello everyone, welcome to Anupama Verma's Easy Matrix. We all know multiplication tables plays an important role in mathematics. It helps us to understand the other mathematics concept also. Without learning tables, without using tables, can we do divisions? Yes. Today we are going to learn an amazing division trick without using multiplication tables. How? Let's see now. Let's take one example now. Let's take 493 divided by 12. Okay. In this trick, we represent the numbers with dots. So here 4 is there, so keep 4 dots. Next 9 is there, no? So keep 9 dots. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next 3 dots. Divisor is 12. So in first column, we need to take 1 dot, and in second column, we need to take 2 dots. Join like this. 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. Next 1, 2. Next 1, 2. So first column completed. So start from second column. So in second column, take 1 dot, and third column 2 dots. Second column also completed. Okay. Only 1 dot is left. So this is remainder. So remainder is 1. Then what is quotient? We need to take starting points. See here in first column 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. In second column we have only one starting point. Let's take one different example. Let's take 345 divided by 23. So 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Divisor is 23. So add 2 dots in first row and 3 dots in second row. Here we don't have second dot. So in this case we need to cut this one and we need to add 10 dots here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now take 2 points here and 3 points here. Take 2 points here, 3 points, we don't have here third point. So what we need to do, same logic we need to apply. Whenever dots are left, otherwise whenever dots are needed, then we need to cut the dot and we can add here 10 more dots, like borrowing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now 2 points here and 3 points here. 2 points here, 3 points here. 2 points here, 3 points here. 2 points here, 3 points here. See here, no dots are left. If 1 or 2 dots are left, then we can keep it as a remainder. Here, no remainder. That means remainder is 0. Okay. Next, what about quotient? See here 1. Next, in second column, we need to take starting points, not ending points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, bigger number. Let's take 1693 divided by 14. Okay. So keep 1 here. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. Here divisor is 14. So we need to take 1 dot in first column and 4 dots in second column, right? So 1 and 4 like this. First column completed. So we need to go for second column. Here 1 and 4 in next column. Here also 1 dot and 4 in next column. Okay. So 1 dot is left here. Here 3 dots. Okay. So this is in tens place. 10, this 3. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 is the remainder. Then what about question? Starting points we need to take. So here 1. Next, here in second column 2 are there. 2. So 12 is the question. 12 is the question and 13 is the remainder. Let's see one more example with bigger divisor. Let's take 1, 3, 5, 9, 6 divided by 1, 1, 2. Okay. So first 1 dot, next 3, next 5, next 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next digit is 6, no? So keep 6 dots. 6. Here divisor is 1, 1, 2. So 1 in first column, 1 in second column, 2 in third column, like this. So 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So first completed, second completed. So next we need to take third. 1, 1. See here 2. Okay. So how many left here? Here 4 dots in tens place, that is 40. In ones place 4. 40 plus 4 is equal 44 is the remainder. So question, starting points we need to count now. So 1. Next in second column 2. In third column 1. So 121 is the question. Is it clear? For example, if 0 is there in divisor, in that case, how to do? Let's see with an example now. Let's take 21896 divided by 101. So, first you keep points 1, 2, next 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, here 9 is there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next digit is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here 1, 0, 1 is there, no? So we need to take 1 in first column. We should not take anything in second column because here 0 is there, no? So you need to skip this one. 1, you skip, and 1 in third column. Again 1, and in third column we need to add, we need to connect in third column. Okay. Next, first column completed. So come to second column. Here we need to take 1 dot. We need to skip this dot. Second row. So what is the next column for this dot? This, no. So we need to skip the dots. So you take like this. Okay. So completed. Next, second column also completed. Go to third column. So in third column, we need to skip next column, no? 1 and 1 like this. 1 and 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. Next 1, 0, 1. So third column also completed. In fourth column, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. So 80. In ones place, nothing is there. No dots are remaining, no? So 0. 80 plus 0 is equal to 80. So remainder is 80. Then what about question? Count starting points. What about question part? See here, we need to take starting points, no? In first column, 1, 2. 2 is there. So write 2 here. Next in second column, only 1 point is there. So write 1. In third column, these 2 we should not count because these 2 are ending points. Only we need to take starting point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 2, 1, 6. The quotient is 2, 1, 6. Is it clear? What about if 0 is in dividend? So how to do? Let's take one example with 0 in dividend. 2805 divided by 13. So keep points 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here 0 is there. So how to do? Cut one point and keep 10 points here. Okay. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divisor is 13, no? So 1 point in first column, 3 points in second column. 1 point in first column, 3 points in second column. So first column completed. Then you go for second to third. Okay, 1 and 3. Second column also completed. Next you go for third and fourth. 1 and 3. Here only 2 are there. So cut 1 point here and keep 10 here again, like borrowing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1 point here, 3 points here. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. Here in ones place all dots completed. But in tens place we have one dot. That means remainder is 10. Okay. Then what about quotient? Remainder is equal to 10. Quotient, you need to check starting points, no? 2, next here only 1 is there. In third row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 215 is the quotient, 10 is the remainder. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.